Welcome to instructional videos. Today we are going to set up the Stratus Retractor. So the first thing you want to do is remove all the parts from this convenient carry case. So first thing I'm going to do is connect together my shock corded pole. So I'm just going to insert the pole into itself. Next thing I'm going to do is insert the pole into the hole located on the back of the base. Next, I'm just going to pull up on my snap rail and insert it into the hook on the top of my base. Next, I'm going to open the lever on my pole and push up on the top of my pole. And I'm just going to go up to my desired height, and then I'm going to shut the lever. And it's just that easy to set up your Stratus Retractor.